Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve two problems related to Fermi energy. Before going to solve problems, first have a look at different equations related to Fermi energy. So first one is Fermi vector kf. Fermi vector kf is given by kf is equal to 3 pi square n all raised to 1 by 3, where small n is number density, which is number of electrons divided by volume. Okay, and second one is the most important one, which is Fermi energy. EF is equal to h bar square kf square by 2m, which is equal to h bar square by 2m 3 pi square n all raised to 2 by 3. Okay, this is one of the most important equation, and from there we can construct Fermi momentum Pf, which is equal to h bar kf, which is equal to h bar, and we already know kf, so h bar 3 pi square n all raised to 1 by 3. Similarly, Fermi velocity Vf is Pf by m. Pf is momentum, Fermi momentum, so h bar by m 3 pi square n all raised to 1 by 3. And the second and the last one, which is also important, Fermi temperature. Fermi temperature is derived from EF is equal to kb Tf, then Tf is equal to EF by kb EF by kb, sorry, EF by kb. So let's move to solve problems. So the first question is this one, estimate Fermi energy. So we need to find Fermi energy of sodium atom. Okay, it is given that density of sodium atom is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we are going to solve this question. First of all, it is given sodium, so sodium atom, so its atomic mass is 23 gram, we know. It is given density is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so our equation to find Fermi energy EF is h bar square by 2m 3 pi square n all raised to 2 by 3. So the unknown here is n. N is number density. Okay, that is number of electrons, total number of electrons divided by volume. Okay, so here density is given 1 gram per centimeter cube. This one is not number density, it is not equal to small n. We need to find small n as small n should be in the unit of per volume, I mean per meter cube. So how to find that? This is a formula to find this one. 1 gram per centimeter cube divided by given mass or density divided by atomic mass, that is 23 gram. Okay, so it give moles, number of moles. So multiply this with Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 power 23, which give number of atoms per centimeter cube. This is per centimeter cube. So in order to convert centimeter cube into meter cube, we need to multiply with 10 power minus 6. But here we need to convert 1 by centimeter cube into 1 by meter cube, because here it is per centimeter cube. So per centimeter cube to per meter cube, we need to multiply with 10 power 6. So finally we need to multiply with 10 power 6. So this is the value of n. While we doing this, you get 2.6 into 10 power 28. This per meter cube. Unit is per meter cube. So this is the value of n, because see, this gram and this gram will cancel, and then 1 by centimeter cube will convert it to 1 by meter cube by multiplying this 10 power 6. So finally we get n as 2.6 into 10 power 8 per meter cube. So substitute that value here. So EF is equal to Fermi energy, EF is equal to h bar square. So h bar is 1. So h bar is 1.05 10 power minus 34 whole square divided by 2 into m is mass of electron. This is mass of electron. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. This into 3 into 3.14 square into n. N value is 2.6 into 10 power 28. This all raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Take your calculator and find this value. The answer become 5 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Okay. If we convert this into electron volt, how to convert energy in joule into electron volt? Just divide by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So if you divide, then you get 3.2 electron volt. So this is the answer for this question. So this is the question. So the first task is find number density n, then just put into the main equation, then you get the answer. So let's move into second question. So this is the second question. The helium 3 atom is a fermion. Helium 3 atom is a fermion with spin equal to half, and density of helium 3 is given 0.081 gram per centimeter cube. So first we write density is density is given. So first we write that one, density is 0.081, this is gram per centimeter cube. Okay. First I am telling that this is not equal to n. Okay, remember the previous question, this is not n. N is number density, its unit should be per meter cube, there is no gram. So this is not small n, we have to find this small n. Okay. This is a given data, and it is given helium 3. Helium 3 is a actually it is a radioactive element. Okay. That is not matter here. Calculate Fermi energy. So we need to find Fermi energy, and the second one is Fermi temperature. So we need to find Fermi temperature. So first task is find n. Before finding that, the atomic mass of helium 3 is 3 gram. So this is helium 3 atomic mass. Helium 3 means atomic mass is 3 grams. So n is density 0.081. So n should be 0.081. Okay, divided by atomic mass 3. Okay, this is gram per centimeter cube. This is gram. So gram will cancel. This is number of moles given mass by molar mass, number of moles. This multiply with Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 power 23. Also now the last task is we need to convert 1 by centimeter cube into 1 by meter cube. For that we need to multiply with 10 power 6. So multiply with 10 power 6. we get the answer as just use your calculator and find it. Value become 1.617 into 10 power 28 per meter cube. So this is the value of n, 1.617 into 10 power 28 per meter cube. So now it is very easy to find Fermi energy. Just put this value of n into the equation of Fermi energy. Equation of Fermi energy is EF, which is equal to h bar square by 2m 3 pi square n all raised to 2 by 3. It become h bar is 1.05 into 10 power minus 34. This is this square by 2 m. M is mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 power minus 34. Then 3 into pi is 3.14. This square into small n value is 1.617 into 10 power 28. Okay, this square 2 by 3. Okay, use your calculator and find the value. Final answer become 6.78 into 10 power minus 23 joule. If we convert this into electron volt, then answer become 4.24 into 10 power minus 4 electron volt. So this is the Fermi energy. Now next task is finding Fermi temperature. For that, EF is equal to KB TF, or TF is equal to what? EF by KB. So EF we already know. EF is equal to 6.78 into 10 power minus 23 joule divided by KB. Value of KB is 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. So the answer become 4.91 Kelvin. So this is a Fermi temperature. So now we done this question. When you solve the problems related to Fermi energy, the task is finding number density. Once you find out this one, then remaining things are very easy. So this part is important. Okay, because you must know the atomic mass, and you must know the fact that this is not the number density in the equation of EF. So if you find this one, then remaining things are easy. So be careful. It is very easy to find Fermi energy and Fermi temperature, etc. Only need a little care. So if you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. If you please like this video and subscribe. Also share to your friends. Okay, thank you.